When using explosive demolition agent to demolish mass reinforced concrete or rock, there are only 3 easy steps to succeed: drill, mix, and pour. In this instruction video demonstration, a small concrete block is used, dimensions 3 feet by 3 feet by 2 feet, reinforced with half-inch rebar, approximately 4,000 psi. Preparation and tools required: drill holes using a hammer or rock drill with the appropriate drill bit specific to the rock or concrete type. Track drills are recommended for larger applications such as rock quarrying. A hand drill with a mixing paddle and a flat bottom bucket is recommended to mix the deck. As an option, a 500 milliliter soft drink bottle can be used to measure water. Be sure to select the correct type of deck for the proper temperature range. In this demonstration, the temperature was about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so deck 2 was used. Safety precautions: for your protection, wear safety glasses, a dust mask, rubber gloves, and proper clothing when working. Avoid eye and skin contact and do not inhale the dust. Step 1. Drilling. Holes should be drilled no further than 1 foot or 30 centimeters apart unless instructed otherwise. Note, in reinforced concrete, it's recommended not to space the holes more than 8 inches or 20 centimeters apart. The recommended hole diameter is 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters, not exceeding 2 inches in diameter or 5 centimeters. Drilled holes should be 80 to 90% of the depth. Do not go completely through unless instructed otherwise. Make sure that the rock or concrete has an open face for expansion equal to the drilling depth. If there is no expansive space, extra holes may have to be drilled and protrude the rock or concrete. Refer to specific instructions on creating expansion space or simply contact our technical staff. Slurry should be poured into plastic tubing, keeping it from contacting water. Clean holes after drilling using an air hose or vacuum to remove excess dust. This is not a requirement, but is recommended for best results. Step 2. Mixing. Using 3 500 milliliter soft drink bottles, make exactly 0.4 gallons or 1.5 liter of water to mix with 1 11-pound bag of deck. Pour the water into the bucket. If you purchased a deck, the water should be filled up to the top of the black bar. Use a drill with a paddle to mix deck water well. If mixing with a stick or other methods, make sure deck is completely dissolved into the water and mixed to a slurry form. Step 3. Pouring. The slurry should be poured into holes within 10 to 15 minutes after mixing. Only fill the holes about 1/2 to 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from the top. A grout pump might be required to fill horizontal holes. You may also mix deck and push it into horizontal holes. Caps or wooden dowels may be used to contain the deck in the horizontal holes. This is only necessary to hold the deck holes. Coverage. Normally, one 44-pound or 20-kilogram box of will fill up to 35 lineal feet, that's 10 meters, of 1.5 inch or 3.8 centimeter diameter holes. The coverage area of the deck extended by filling every other drilled hole as long as the material is not reinforced. Doing this may decrease the setup time, but is more cost-effective by using less material. Please contact our technical staff to find out if this would be recommended for your particular job. After pouring, use a rod or stick to agitate the hole, making sure no air is trapped in holes. Do not leave excess slurry in the bucket as blowouts may occur. Do not look directly into filled holes as blowouts may occur. Always use proper protection. Dispose of waste according to federal, state, and/or local regulations. Be sure to protect the filled holes from direct sunlight, rain, and snow. Deck or breaking time. Properly drilled and mixed, the cracks may appear after 2 hours of filling, depending on ambient temperature, humidity, and rock or concrete hardness. Give the 24 hours for best results. Although the deck may look dry on top, it does not mean it has stopped working. Please allow the full 24 hours before calling our technical department. As you can see, after 6 hours, hairline cracks appear in this concrete block filled with rebar. Tip 1. Well-designed hole drilling patterns will minimize consumption of deck by cutting into desired sizes. Just 15 minutes later, cracks are getting wider and deeper. Tip 2. To ensure success, needs free space to expand to. 30 minutes after the hairline cracks began, the deck is continuing to expand faster. Tip 3. For better results, it's important to note both air and material temperature. Material temperature is the temperature inside of the rock or concrete, which can be different from the air temperature. 6 hours, 45 minutes. Tip 4. If deck dries into a powder and did not crack, pour additional water onto deck holes to restart the process. It is important to remember that just because the deck appears dry on top does not mean it has stopped working, so please allow the full 24 hours for it to complete the process. 7 hours after pouring, deck cracks are well developed and the concrete is ready to be disposed of. Non-explosive controlled demolition agent, the easy-to-use, cost-effective way to work safer. Visit us at www. To view hundreds of actual job pictures, testimonials, introduction videos, frequently asked questions, and MSDS material safety data sheet. Thank you for watching.